Climate change is an increasingly serious threat to our planet. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere are rising at an unprecedented rate, and it is crucial that we find ways to reduce them to protect our future. Fortunately, we have a natural solution. It's called Posidonia Oceanica. Posidonia Oceanica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a marine plant that grows only in the Mediterranean Sea and plays a vital role in the environment. It absorbs carbon dioxide and produces oxygen at a much faster rate than the land plants. In fact, studies have shown that Posidonia can absorb up to 10 times more carbon dioxide per square meter than a tropical forest. It also provides habitat for a wide range of marine life. It protects coastlines from erosion and helps maintain marine ecosystems. It can foster the circular economy because it can be used to create energy, biostimulants, bioinsecticides, and compost. This maximizes the value of Posidonia and minimizes waste in the environment. Unfortunately, Posidonia is under threat. Climate change and water pollution are some of the factors that threaten this valuable marine plant. Green Posidonia was born in response to this situation. We are working to build a marine nursery in Valencia to reproduce Posidonia Oceanica, and we need your help. We need more people to know about the value of Posidonia and to contribute to its protection. If you want to take part in combating climate change and protecting our oceans, join us in the Green Posidonia project. Visit our website for more information and find out how you can contribute. Together, we will step up to help the environment and build our future.